So what we have here is it's called an incentive spirometer. And the reason you probably have been prescribed this either from this office or from your primary care doctor is to improve your lung function. Now, lung function is measured in many ways, and the most simplest way that this measures lung function is your inspiratory volume or your voluntary breath as you breathe in. And it's a very simple device. When it comes unpacked, you'll notice that this plugs right in here, and this is where you will take your breath. You have a little slide here which can show the volume, and this is in liters. This is 5,000 down to 500, so it's tenfold across the spectrum here. And here you'll notice that you have your little buoy, and there's three markers here. It says best, better, and good. And and I'll demonstrate what that means. But the reason they have the best at the lowest part is because when we're training our lungs, we don't want to take a fast breath. We want to be able to take a slow, sustained breath. And that's actually the principle of many Eastern cultures when they're teaching yoga or other exercises. So let's give this a little quick demonstration here. So I'm going to try to inflate, or rather float, the bobbin, and I want to stay in the best category. You'll be seeing it from the back, but down here is in the best. Maybe we can kind of have a look this way. So I'm going to put this all the way down. Let's see if I can get it past 2,000. So with a gentle inhalation, I can raise it up to 2,000. So now repeatedly doing this will build our lung capacity, and especially patients with respiratory problems. And now, unfortunately, in this current viral pandemic, building good respiratory function is key. All right, so we got it up to 2,000. Now I've been kind of doing a little practice here, so let's see if we can get up any higher than this. Let's set a higher goal here. Let's try 3,000. Let's see if that's going to even work. This is a better view here. Okay, you can see the bobbin floating up here. So that's a 5 liter. I'm short of breath here. That's a 5 liter inspiratory drive. So it is possible to exercise your lungs, and this is a simple and effective method.